In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribers to a specific group on Mailerlite. Organizing your email list into groups is one of the easiest ways to send more targeted, relevant emails. Instead of blasting the same message to everyone, you can group people based on interests, actions, or where they are in your customer journey. Mailerlite makes this pretty simple once you know where everything is, and that's exactly what we'll walk through together. First, log into your Mailerlite account and head over to the Subscribers section. You'll usually find this in the main navigation menu. This page is your main hub for managing everyone on your list. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially the list of subscribers and the checkboxes next to each one. Next, you'll choose who you want to add to a group. To do this, look for the checkboxes on the left side of each subscriber's row. Click the checkbox next to each subscriber you want to include in your group. If you're working with a larger list and you want to select everyone that's currently visible, use the arrow or select all option in the top left corner of the list. This saves a lot of time when you're handling many contacts at once. Once you've selected your subscribers, look for the Actions button, usually located above the list of subscribers. Click on Actions to open a drop-down menu. This is where Mailerlite keeps most of the bulk options for managing your list, so you'll use this area often. From that drop-down menu, choose the option that says Add to Group. This tells Mailerlite that you want to place the selected subscribers into one or more specific groups. After clicking Add to Group, you'll see a field where you can either choose an existing group or create a new one. Start typing the name of the group you want. If it already exists, you can simply click on it to select it. If it doesn't exist yet, type the new group name and press Enter to create it. This is helpful if you're setting up segments like new leads, customers, or webinar attendees on the fly. When you've chosen or created the group, click Add to confirm. Mailerlite will then assign all the selected subscribers to that group. From here, you're ready to send targeted campaigns to just the people in that specific group.